In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Ads Manager account. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to ads.google.com. Once the page has loaded, you'll want to spot and click on the Start Now button. It's typically front and center, making it easy to access. This action will set you on your way to creating your account. Next, you'll be prompted to sign in using your existing Google account. If you don't have one yet, now's the time to create a new account. This login is crucial as it connects all of your Google services under one roof, streamlining how you manage ads. Once you're signed in, you'll be asked to provide your business name and your website URL. Ensure these details are accurate as they represent your brand online. It's all part of building a solid foundation for your advertising account. Next up, you may notice options to link other accounts like YouTube or a Google business profile. While these links can enhance your advertising capabilities, feel free to skip them for now if you're not ready. Keep in mind, linking these accounts can bring additional benefits by integrating various advertising platforms, so consider revisiting this step later on if you decide to explore wider ad options. As you progress, Google might guide you to create a campaign right away. You'll have the choice to skip this step initially to wrap up your account setup. Look for an option that possibly says Leave Campaign Creation. It might appear as a smaller link or after clicking Next on a prompt. This step allows you to finalize your account details without diving into campaign intricacies just yet. Now that you've paused campaign setup, focus on getting your billing and account information in place. Start by selecting your correct billing country, time zone, and currency. These settings are crucial because they cannot be altered later, so double check for errors. With your location and currency established, it's time to enter your business and payment information. Choose your payment method, whether it be a credit card, debit card, or bank account details. Be aware that you may notice a temporary authorization on your card, which serves as a routine verification step. If you've got a promotional code lying around, this is the moment to enter it. This can potentially save budget on initial advertising costs. Before wrapping up, review all your account details carefully. You may be asked to confirm information about your organization. Once you've verified everything, the final thing to do is to click on Submit to complete your account setup. And there you have it, a Google Ads Manager account all set and ready to take your advertising endeavors to the next level. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime, or use this guide to assist your colleagues and clients in setting up their own Google Ads accounts effortlessly.